Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Projectile Motion 101. This here is the Beeman Model 1048 air rifle combo, and according to the box it can fire at 495 meters per second. Now today, we're going to be putting that number to the test.
Alright, so in this experiment, we will be firing a rifle from a distance of 27 meters off the front of my swankin' deck to the deck closer to the water. To avoid confusion between the decks, this is the house deck and this is the water deck. Glad we got that uncomfortable situation out of the way. There's nothing more embarrassing than referring to the wrong deck in conversation. So to make sure the shot is taken horizontally, a level and laser pointer have been professionally attached to the muzzle of the shooter object. 5 shots will then be taken, and an average vertical displacement will be taken to discover the vertical displacement. Now, as you can see, the first shot is 1.6 centimeters down, the second is about a centimeter down, the third, we shall never speak of the third again, the fourth is about 1.3 centimeters down, and the fifth is about 2 centimeters down. Add that together and divide by 4 and you get a displacement of 1.375 centimeters down. Then add 2 centimeters to that to account for the distance between the laser and the muzzle of the gun. And now that we have our vertical and horizontal displacements, we can find the initial velocity. To do this, we must first use the dy equals vyt plus half at squared. The pellet gun begins with a vertical velocity of 0, so we can cancel that out. Then substitute the values for vertical displacement and acceleration into the equation and solve for time. Now that we have a time in flight, using the Vx equals dx divided by t formula, we can substitute the values for time and horizontal displacement into the equation, and get a final answer of 325 meters per second, or between 313 and 337 meters per second, accounting for 12 meters per second gusts of wind in the area at the time, or 90 kilometers per hour, which is ever so slightly faster than the box said. So in conclusion, according to my calculations, the rifle is capable of firing pellets at 325 meters per second. That is 215% larger than the value on the box. So between you and me, let's just keep these results quiet, alright? Because if I'm right, then I should really get a permit if I'm going to use this rifle again. Oopsies.